Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss daily current affairs of 5th December 2021. Let's start. First question, name of the Minister of State of Personnel who has recently launched unique face recognition technology for pensioner. The right answer is Jitendra Singh. Ministry of State Personnel Jitendra Singh launched a unique face recognition technology that would act as a proof of life certificate for pensioner. The face recognition technology of giving the life certificate is a historic and far-reaching reform since it will touch the lives of not only 68 lakh central government's pensioner but also those under the EPFO and state government according to a statement issued by the Ministry of Personnel Public Grievance. Next question, International Telecommunication Union and which department has recently launched India ITU Joint Cyber Drill? The right answer is Department of Telecommunication. India ITU Joint Cyber Drill 2021 commences. Department of Telecommunication and International Telecommunication Union have commenced India ITU Joint Cyber Deal 2021. This cyber deal is intended for Indian entities, especially critical network infrastructure operator. It is a 4-day virtual event starting from 30 November to 3rd December 2021. Next question, Skyroot Aerospace has recently test fired India's first privately built cryogenic rocket engine of which name? The right answer is Dhawan 1. Space tech startup Skyroot Aerospace announced that it has successfully tested Dhawan 1, which is claimed to be a country's first privately developed fully cryogenic rocket engine. Skyroot has named its cryogenic engine Dhawan 1 in honor of eminent Indian rocket scientist Dr. Satish Dhawan. Next question, which woman has been ranked first in the list of 50 most powerful women of the country released by Fortune India? The right answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has been ranked first in the list of 50 most powerful women of the country released by Fortune India. The list mentioned the names of various popular figures who are known for their accomplishment in their respective fields. Next question. According to report, which state has become the largest manufacturing hub of the country? The right answer is Gujarat. Gujarat has left behind Maharashtra to become the country's leading manufacturing hub, according to data from the Reserve Bank of India. Gujarat saw its gross value addition in manufacturing grow by 15.9% annually between FY12 to FY20 to stand at 5.11 lakh crore. Next question. In which city of Uttar Pradesh has Sri Amit Shah recently laid the foundation stone of Ma Shakumbari University? The right answer is Saharanpur. Union Home Minister Amit Shah laid the foundation stone for Ma Shakumbari Devi University in Saharanpur of Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which country will build world's first floating city by 2025? The right answer is South Korea. South Korea was build world's first floating city by 2025. Next question. Which athlete has been honored with the Women of the Year award by World Athletics? The right answer is Anju Bobby George. Anju Babi, legendary Indian athlete Anju Babi Judge, has been bestowed with the Women of the Year award by World Athletics for grooming talent in country and for her advocacy of gender equality. Anju, the only Indian to have won a medal in World Championship with a long jump bronze in 2003 edition, was named for award in the country's body's annual award night. Next question: which of the following state government has recently withdrawn the Char Dham Devasthanam Management Act? Right answer is Government of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Pushpar Singh Dhabi announced that the state government will be withdrawn Char Dham Devasthanam Management Act after the 1 month of protest Char Dham Tirth Purohit. Next question: who has authored his autobiography titled The Ambuja Story? How a group of ordinary men created an extraordinary company. The right answer is Narottam Seksaria. Narottam Seksaria is authored the book titled The Ambuja Story. How a group of ordinary men created an extraordinary company.